What if your home could travel with you, moving through landscapes on wheels designed by one of the best-known auto brands? And here it is, the 2026 Toyota Motorhome. It blends futuristic luxury with Japanese engineering reliability. From the moment you catch sight of its sleek aerodynamic exterior, you sense this is something beyond a traditional mobile living space. Its sculpted sides, LED signature lighting, bold grille design all come together in a streamlined shape built to reduce drag and maximize efficiency. Imagine cruising highways or mountain roads where every contour works for better mileage and stability. Driving it feels effortless yet commanding. The chassis, built on Toyota's trusted platform, brings nimble handling for its size, while optional all-wheel drive or even a more rugged 6x6 configuration provides serious terrain capability. Inside, it's a revelation. You step through large doors into a space where smart design meets premium finishes. The layout flows intuitively. Convertible dining area that becomes a full-size bed, soft ambient lighting, wooden cabinetry infused with modern tech, a kitchenette equipped with induction stove, sink, fridge, microwave, even a compact wet bath with shower and toilet. It's cozy yet feels generous. The energy system includes solar panels on the roof that feed lithium battery storage, so whether you're at a campground or off-grid, you have power to run. Climate controls, lighting, kitchen appliances and outlets to charge devices. Toyota Safety Sense offers adaptive cruise lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and a 360 camera, so even in an unfamiliar campsite, setup is safe and easy. Speak commands through voice assistant. Integrated infotainment supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi, hotspot navigation, and live traffic updates. Sleep is restful. The bed folds down smoothly, and panoramic windows let in natural light by day while blackout curtains ensure quiet dark at night. Climate controlled ventilation keeps the temperature ideal, automatically adjusting depending on outside temperature or battery charge. Spare storage compartments beneath beds, overhead shelves, and outdoor access. Side lockers keep gear organized, and accessible add-ons like roof racks, bike mounts, or even an optional roof tent expand versatility. Powertrain choices include a hybrid gas-electric system for fuel efficiency and lower emissions, plus a plug-in electric variant promising extended electric range, ideal for electric campsites or urban driving. Some advanced trims push into hydrogen electric hybrid territory for near silent power on the move. This motorhome doesn't just move you, it adapts